Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to install step-by-step FoodAppi. This is a food delivery system and WhatsApp menu ordering and with admin panel. At the same time it gives like a mobile application, so your clients could just install it on their mobile phones, so they could just at any time return to your application to buy from it. Okay, so as you can see guys, I'm going to my domain name. I already installed it on my domain name. Okay, and here is the website of this that it gives you. Okay, as you can see there's just a header and the footer. Between it there is a body. So in this body there is nothing because my website has nothing right now. It's clear database, no items, no POS orders, nothing at all. So that's why the website shows nothing. But if you add items, products and categories and everything, so you can see everything powerfully in this website. Okay, so let me just take the homepage, as you can see, of the admin panel. So here you can see the dashboard to see like the overview, analytics, everything, statistics. And we have here, if you have like a POS, if you're doing POS, so here you can see your items, products. You can click on that. You can just generate invoices from here. Okay, as you can see guys, we have languages. You can add your own language as well. Just click on this. You're gonna just see the items here. Okay, from here you can import or export your items. You can add item from here, the name, price, category, as well as like the images, whatever you want. Then this item is going to be shown up on your website. Here in the POS you're going to see the POS. Here you can see the POS orders. Okay, every order comes from your website. It's going to be listed here. Okay, this for KDS. Okay, like for kitchen display system, this is just for kitchen display system. Here we have like OSS, this for order status screen. Okay, let me go back again. Let me go to coupons here. If you have a coupons here for offers you give, so it's going to be shown up on your website. Here for push notifications, here for messages between you and customers, here for subscribers. Here we have administrators. If you have administrators, here you can add delivery boys, so the system gives you as well how like to manage delivery boys. Here for customers, management of customers. We have like management of employees as well, waiters. We have for chefs. As you can see guys, we have here accounts for transactions. Okay, we have sales reports as well. Every report you're gonna see it here. Items report, credit balance report. Here in settings you can see every single settings. You can just add your own like settings. Here for site, you can like manage branches. For example, if you have a lot of like restaurants, you can add branches here. You can just click add branches and you can add branches as well as latitude where it exists exactly. So here for mail we have order setup, like you can set up the orders. Okay, and we have a lot of things here, so you can like add whatever you want. Here for setup of WhatsApp, you can add your own WhatsApp here, and every single order it comes to your WhatsApp to remember you that there is like a sale, so you should ship it. All right guys. Yeah, okay, this is it. So as I said before, here you can see like your profile. You can manage whatever you want. You can add your customers, everything. So if you want to resell this script, you can like resell it to restaurant owners, or if you are a restaurant owner, you can install this script to manage your business. Okay, so just from here you can switch all branches, like switch the languages, POS, menus, and everything else. Okay, now let me go. So now I will start giving you step by step how to install this script. Okay, first of all you have to go to this website. It's AutoScript Hub. Then you will see this. Let me just go to AutoScript Hub first. Then here you can write food. Okay, it's gonna be filtered. Just click on that, search now. So let me go to it, click view. All right, so you can see the description, you can see whatever you want here. Okay, now here you can like buy from this website. It's just $8. Okay, you can buy it, click buy now just to install the script. Proceed to checkout. Okay, give it an email here and the password. Then just go to PayPal. All right, and check out with PayPal and pay the $9. So here is it. Now what we should do is that I already like downloaded a script from here. Okay, then I will try to it's already here. This is my I already installed it. So yeah, this is the where I downloaded like the script. Okay, so let me try now to upload it to Hostinger. So in this section I'm going to like to explain how to upload your files on Hostinger. As you can see guys, let let me just click file manager. So if you don't have a hosting account, I will put the link below of this video, so you can like create your own hosting account, and you can get a great discount of 25%. Okay, so now as you can see guys, this is the script. Okay, I already extract all, but let me just delete everything rather than web.zip. This is just the zip file that I already uploaded here. Let me just delete everything. Okay, as you can see guys, this is the zip file that I already uploaded here, and this is the zip file that you will get from Autoscript Hub. Okay, now let me try to extract everything. So let me like go to databases as well, and let me try to to delete this script. Okay, now let me go to my file manager, and let me after uploading this zip file, just click on that and click write and click extract, and right here dot. After writing dot, click extract, and everything is going to be extracted. Okay, just waiting just a little bit of time, and it's going to be everything is going to be extracted. Let me go to web, like select everything, move, go back and click move. Then let me try to delete web folder, just delete it. After delete everything, let me go back to the databases. So create your own database. So I will be like give it a name. Okay, and here just put your own password, create. Great, so a database is going to be created automatically. Just copy this. No, don't do it. Just come to file manager and go to your own domain name. Let me just go to my domain name. As you can see guys, you will see this installer. Click check requirements, everything is good. If everything is good, just click check permissions. All right, so here you have to like give it a permission of 77.5. Go to it's storage framework. Let me go to storage. Where is it? Here is the storage, and go to framework and click write and click permissions. Here give it for group 77.5 update, and it says storage logs as well. Let me go to logs as well and give it a permission. Great, update. Let me go to bootstrap cache. Let me go to bootstrap. Okay, this is the bootstrap cache, and give it a permission as well. So update. Great, now let me just refresh to see the grains. Great, license setup. Here you can just write 8 zeros or whatever you want, because I already set up everything, so you can bypass the license. So just activate setup. Okay, here in the app name, just write just come back to your database and copy this. All right, copy this, come back to your app installer, right? I'm sorry, not here. Just give it a name of whatever you want. I would say this is my app URL. This is my app URL. It's a domain name. Okay, just paste it in here. Let me just clear this. Database setup. Let me go to database name. This is where you can like copy this. Okay, and paste it in here. Pass this for username, and here put the password you put for your database. This is my password, and final setup. So as you can see guys, the application has been successfully installed. So just copy this email. Okay, as you can see guys, copy this email, and this is the password for the admin account. Click finish. So it will take you to the homepage of the website. Let me just wait a little bit of time. So just everything's going to be initialized, as you can see guys. So it has everything set up. So as you can see, the body has nothing because the database is clear. There's no product, there's no categories, there's no menus, there's nothing. That's why nothing is shown up on your own website. Okay, let me go to the account. This is the admin. Go to my orders, it's profile, child address, whatever you want. Just let me go to the dashboard. Okay, here as you can see guys, everything is set up, so you can start your business. You can add your items, you can just go to the POS, you can do whatever you want. So you can manage your you can manage everything you have. So this is it guys, how to install it step by step. And thank you so much guys. So by the way, in this video, on the description, I'll put the link to Autoscript Hub for this FoodAppi system. Okay, as well as I will put the link of the Hostinger, how to create an account on Hostinger, so you can have 25% discount. And yeah, so I will put my WhatsApp as well. So if you have any troubles or errors or server errors, you can just contact me. So or if you want to hire me for any other scripts or anything, just contact me. I will be really happy to help you. So thank you so much guys, and have a good day.